Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through an absolute mod classic from the mid-60s. This is a thing by The Who known as Substitute. Great track, only 3 chords, but lots going on with those 3 chords. I'm eager to show you what's going on. Go grab your guitar, I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get into it. So 3 chords we're going to need for the intro. This is the bit that goes... So we've got D, A major, G major, and then back to D again. And we're going to go down. So if we sort this strum pattern out, so we've got down, 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 down. Okay, so down, down twice on the D, down, down, A. So D, D, A, G, 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 back to D. D, D, A, G, 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 D. D, D, A, G, 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 D. Now, for those of you that play your G like that, that's perfectly fine. I do my G like that. There's lots of reasons why. I'll get into those in another video. But, yeah, so D, A, G. Right, so here we go. D, D, A, G, 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 D. D, D, A, G, 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 D. Okay, so that's the intro. Strum pattern. Here we go. So we're going to go down, down, up, up, down, up for the strum pattern. So down, down. We'll just practice that for a moment. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. First chord is D major. D, G, D. D, G, D. And then what we're going to do, this is where it gets a bit fancy. Right, so it is technically an E minor, which is, you may do your E minor like that, I do mine like that. But for this song, what we're going to do, we're just going to hold down the spaces you would hold down your E minor. So that's 2nd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string with our first finger, right? Because we've got this bit to do. This is the I'm a substitute for another guy bit. I look pretty tall, but my heels are high. So it goes... Right, let me show you how we play that. So we got open E, and then we're going to jump down to the D string. So we got... So open E, D string. Remember, we're holding this down. So open E, D string. Then we're going to do 3rd fret of the E string. So let's put that together. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do a little hammer on. We're going to hammer on from the, we're going to pick the A string open and then come straight back down onto the 2nd fret of the A string. And then we're going to play the D string open. So let's take that really slowly. So open E, then D string, then 3rd fret of the E string, and then we're going to play the A string open, but then hammer back down on the 2nd fret, and then D string open, yeah, without anything pressed down. Got that? Okay, so let me just hold that right up to the camera for you now. So, open E string, then D string. Remember, we're holding this down. Then 3rd fret of the E string, and then we're going to strike the A string and then hammer back down onto the 2nd fret of the A string, and then D string open. Right, so let's have a little go at that. So, right, now the way I'm doing that, because Pete Townsend in the band is incorporating rhythm playing with this little bit of lead playing going on, this little riff. We've got to sort of double up, so we're doubling up on the and I'm muting with the edge of my hand on the strings. See that? So let's go back to the beginning. So we go down, down, up, up, down, up on the D, down, G, D, D, G, D. Right, ready for this E minor bit? And all down strokes. Right, now that next bit is it's A. Now we're going to do an A here. We're going to just bar down on strings 4, 3, 2, obviously 1 as well, but try not to play that bottom E string, because that will give you what's known as an A6, and we don't really want that. Just focus on strings, I don't know, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, not the bottom strings. So we got that bit, and then we get into the riff, which is and that is what's going on over the chorus. Substitute that bit. So down, 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 D, D, A, G, G, D, 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 A, G, G, D, 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 A, G, G, and D. So there we go, Substitute by The Who. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for future videos. Always love to hear from you. If you've liked today's video, please can you like and subscribe for me, as it helps to grow the channel. A big thank you to those of you that have done so already. I'm so grateful. Thank you so very much. I'll meet you back here in the next video. Take good care of yourselves. Until we meet again, bye-bye.